Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rina Sasmita with ID number 210705030. I want to explain about case of incorrect use English consonant and vowels. First, I want to explain about definition of consonant and vowels. What is consonant? According by the book Manual of English Phonetic and Phonology, consonants are sounds that are produced by obstruction of an air system, either in pharynx or in vocal tracts. There are 24 consonant phonemes in RP. And what is vowels? Vowels come from Latin is vocalis. In phonetically, vowels are produced without air obstruction, and in phonologically, vowels usually occupy the center of the syllable. Different accents may even have different systems. Therefore, consonant and vowels are two parts important in the pronunciation in language, whether in English or other language. So we talk about the case of consonants and vowels. This is about mispronunciation of consonant R and mostly use vowel O in Indonesian words spoken by Malay dialect in Tanjung Balai. As we know, consonant and vowels are very important in pronunciation. If there any mispronunciation, so there will be some consequences. Like the Malay dialect in Tanjung Balai, from my observation and experience when I live in Tanjung Balai, there were some words mispronunciation and cause a lot of communication problems. From my observation, why this error can occur is because of the dialect and regional language commonly used by local residents. The accent used in Tanjung Balai include a slightly rough Malay accent, characteristic by high intonation and loudness of voice. Then the regional language mostly use vowels O in their words, which I think affects the use of other vowels. For example, in pronunciation of the words kencang to koncang and pergi to pogi. And also a word error in the pronunciation consonant R, where the pronunciation is made not very clear, where the way of pronunciation is located at the base of the tongue and the fleshy palate. As for how to pronounce it like a G sounds, but low becomes a sound ho. For example, the word Tenggara changed to Tenggaho. So we talk about impact of the case. From the explanation about regarding the case discussed, there are two consequences of the mispronunciation of the case. First, listeners' incomprehension due to mispronunciation of consonant R. The pronunciation of the consonant R only understood by the local community. When tribes or people who are outside the Tanjung Balai area, there will be misunderstanding of words and it becomes difficult to understand. Two barriers to learning a new language. For people who are already familiar with the dialect, it will be difficult to learn a new language because the dialect of the local community is involved. For prevention efforts against the case, every problem has a solution. So the solution are: first, by getting used the pronunciation the word are correctly according to the rules of the Indonesian language, and also correcting if there are pronunciation of words that are wrong with the pronunciation of Indonesian language that apply. And the last is to apply communicating in daily life with clear pronunciation, so that the difficulty of learning another language will gradually decrease. Habits will form, and over time communication will get better and all the bad effect of mistake will disappear. Thank you. That's all my explanation about case of incorrect use English consonant and vowels.